One night, Tom's phone rang. It was a wrong number, but that call changed his life. Today, you will learn to 5 English words with this story. Let's start. Tom is alone in his apartment. It is evening. The apartment is small. The apartment is quiet. Tom feels bored. He sits alone on his sofa. The evening is quiet. Nothing happens in the apartment. Tom looks around the room. The room is small. The room is quiet too. Tom is alone every evening. He feels a little bored every night. Listening. Practice. Listen slowly. Tom sits alone. The apartment is quiet. The evening is long. Speaking practice. Model. I feel happy. Model. I feel bored. Now you say, I feel. Model. My room is quiet. Now you say, my room is. Vocabulary. New words. Alone. Bored. Apartment. Evening. Quiet. Tom is alone. Tom is bored. His apartment is quiet this evening. The evening is quiet and long. The phone rings. Suddenly, Tom's phone rings. Tom looks at the phone. He does not know this number. The phone rings again. Tom answers the call. Tom, hello. Who is calling? Anna, hello. Is this Michael? Tom, no. I don't know this number. Anna, oh, sorry. Is this your phone number? Tom, yes, this is my number. Tom looks at his phone again. He does not know this call. Listening practice. Listen. Slowly, the phone rings. Tom answers the phone. He does not know the number. Speaking practice. Model. Who is calling? Now you say, who is calling? Model. This is my phone number. Now you say, this is my number. Vocabulary check. New words. Phone. Ring. Answer. Number. Call. The phone rings. Tom answers the phone. He does not know the number. Anna made the call. The call is a surprise. The wrong number. Anna is quiet for a moment. Anna. Oh, no. I'm sorry. I made a mistake. Tom, that's okay. Anna, you have the wrong number? Tom. No problem. Anna, I am really sorry for the mistake. Tom, it's okay. Everyone makes a mistake. Anna is sorry. Tom is kind to Anna. He does not feel angry. He feels calm and friendly. Listening practice. Listen slowly. Anna is sorry. It was a mistake. Tom is kind to Anna. Speaking practice. Model. I'm sorry. I made a mistake. Now you say, I'm sorry. I made a mistake. Model. Everyone makes a mistake. Now you say, I sometimes make a mistake. Micro review. Let's review. Pone. Cal. Number. Tom's phone rang. Anna made a call. It was the wrong number. New words in this scene. Sorry. Mistake. Wrong. Friend. Anna says sorry. It was a mistake. She called the wrong number. Tom is kind to Anna. Tom is a friend now. A small conversation. Anna does not hang up. Tom does not hang up. They start to talk. Anna, it's nice to talk to you. Tom. Yes, it is nice. Anna, you are very kind. Tom. Thank you. You are kind too. They laugh a little. Tom likes to listen to Anna. Anna likes to talk to Tom. Anna, I like to talk on the phone. Tom, me too. I like to listen to you. They talk for a few more minutes. They laugh together again. Talking to Anna feels easy for Tom. Listening practice. Listen. Slowly, they talk on the phone. Anna is nice. Tom is kind. Speaking practice. Model. It's nice to talk to you. Now you say, it's nice to talk to you. Model. I like to listen to music. Now you say, I like to listen to music. Vocabulary check. New words. Talk. Listen. Laugh. Nice. Kind. They talk on the phone. They listen to each other. They laugh together. Tom is kind. Anna is nice. They decide to meet. Anna, let's meet tomorrow. Tom, okay? Where do you want to meet? Anna, can we meet at the cafe? Tom, yes, let's meet at the cafe. Anna, what time is good for you? Tom, Tomorrow morning is good for me. Anna, great. See you tomorrow at the cafe. Tom feels happy. Tomorrow. They will meet at the cafe. He is happy to meet a new friend. Listening practice. Listen slowly. Let's meet tomorrow. They will meet at the cafe. Tom feels happy. Speaking practice. Model. Let's meet tomorrow. Now you say, let's meet at the cafe. Model. I feel happy today. Now you say, I feel happy when I... Micro review. Let's remember. Sorry. Kind. Nice. Friend. Anna said sorry. Tom is a kind friend. Anna is nice. New words. Meet. Cafe. Happy. Tomorrow. They will meet tomorrow. They will meet at the cafe. Tom feels happy. The meeting. The next day. Tom walks to the cafe. Tom sees a woman with a nice smile. It is Anna. Anna, hi. Tom. Nice to meet you. Tom, nice to meet you too. Anna has a nice smile. Tom likes to talk with Anna. Anna, do you like this cafe? Tom, yes, I like this cafe very much. Anna, me too. I come here every week. They sit down and talk. Anna smiles again. Tom smiles too. Listening practice. Listen slowly. Anna has a nice smile. Tom likes to talk with Anna. They sit at the cafe. Speaking practice. Model. She has a nice smile. Now you say, he has a nice smile. Model. I like to talk with my friend. Now you say, I like to talk with my friend. Vocabulary check. New word. Smile. Anna has a nice smile. Tom likes Anna's smile. They smile at the cafe. Anna smiles at Tom again. Tom's mother calls. While they talk, Tom's phone rings again. It is his mother. Mother. Hi, Tom. Tom. Hi, Mom. I am with my friend. Mother. Okay. Have a nice day. Tom. Thank you. Mom. You too. Mother. Okay. Bye. Tom. Tom. Bye. Mom. Tom's mother is happy for him. She likes that Tom has a new friend. Listening practice. Listen slowly. Tom's mother calls. Tom talks to his mother. His mother is happy. Speaking practice. Model. This is my mother. Now you say, this is my mother. Model. My mother is kind. Now you say, my mother is kind. Vocabulary checked at new word. Mother. Tom's mother calls him. Tom talks to his mother. His mother is kind too. His mother is happy for Tom. A new friendship. Tom and Anna talk for a long time at the cafe. They both feel happy. Anna. I want to meet you again. Tom. Me too. Let's meet again. Anna. I am happy we are friends. Tom. I am happy too. Anna. Thank you for talking to me today. Tom. Thank you too. This was a nice day. A wrong phone call gave Tom a new friend. Tom smiles and feels happy. Listening practice. Listen slowly. Tom and Anna are friends. They will meet again. Tom is happy. Speaking practice. Model. I am happy we are friends. Now you say, I am happy we are friends. Model. This was a nice day. Now you say, today was a nice day. Full vocabulary recap. Let's remember important words. Friend, happy, meet, kind, nice, smile. Tom and Anna are friends. They are happy. They will meet again. Anna smiles. And Tom smiles too. Ending. Tom walks home. He is happy. He thinks about the phone call. It was a nice mistake. One wrong phone call gave Tom a new friend. Moral. Sometimes, a small mistake can bring a new friend. Speaking practice recap. Repeat these sentences after me. Say it aloud. I'm sorry. I made a mistake. Who is calling? Let's meet tomorrow. It's nice to talk to you. This is my mother. I am happy we are friends. Great job. Listening practice recap. Now, listen at normal speed. You already heard these lines slowly. Hello. Who is calling? Hello. Is this Michael? It's nice to talk to you. You are very kind. Hi. Tom? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Full vocabulary list, 25 words. Lon, boreth, apartment, evening, akit, pon green, and swear. Number, call, sorry, mistake, wrong, friend, talk, listen, laugh, nice, kind, meet, cafe. Happy, tomorrow, smile. Mother, thank you for learning with us today. You understood a real English story. See you in the next lesson.